Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back. Today we're delving into the mysterious life of one of history's most creepy figures, Grigory Rasputin. From his humble beginnings to his astonishing rise to power, Rasputin's story is nothing short of captivating. So let's jump right in and explore the life and times of the infamous Russian mystic. Grigory Rasputin was born in the small Siberian village of Pokrovskoye in 1869. Coming from a peasant family, Rasputin's early life was filled with hardship, and he received little formal education. The rugged landscapes of Siberia instilled in him a deep connection with nature, and his surroundings played a significant role in shaping his spiritual beliefs. As a young man, Rasputin underwent a profound spiritual awakening, claiming to have experienced divine visions and a special connection with God. This newfound spirituality led him on a pilgrimage to a monastery, where he immersed himself in the teachings of the Orthodox Church. His deep devotion and unyielding faith caught the attention of the local religious community, and soon Rasputin earned a reputation as a holy man with extraordinary healing powers. Armed with his reputation as a mystic healer and a charismatic persona, Rasputin made his way to the capital city, St. Petersburg, around 1903. Here, he quickly gained a reputation as a powerful faith healer with the ability to cure the Tsar and Tsarina's only son, Alexei, who suffered from hemophilia. His fame spread like wildfire, drawing attention from both commoners and the Russian elite. Rasputin's seemingly miraculous ability to alleviate Alexei's suffering endeared him to the Tsarina, Alexandra, who believed he was a holy man sent to save her son. This devotion allowed Rasputin to gain unprecedented access to the Russian court, and his influence over the royal family grew exponentially. The Tetrarch Nicholas II, who was initially skeptical, soon grew reliant on Rasputin's counsel, especially when it came to decisions regarding Russia's involvement in World War I. With the Russian monarchy on the brink of collapse, Rasputin's rise to power was met with intense scrutiny and political intrigue. Many members of the Russian elite saw him as a dangerous influence on the Tsar's decisions, accusing him of manipulating the royal family for personal gain. Rasputin's involvement in political affairs added to the animosity towards him, and rumors of his influence over important decisions spread like wildfire. While Rasputin's healing powers and spiritual guidance garnered him a devoted following, he also faced fierce opposition from those who saw him as an interloper in Russia's political landscape. Many believed that his influence over the royal family was eroding the monarchy's credibility, and his apparent disregard for traditional court etiquette further fueled the fires of dissent. As Rasputin's reputation grew, so did the rumors and allegations against him. Some accused him of using his powers for sinister purposes, claiming that he engaged in orgies and immoral activities. These accusations, though largely unproven, added to the public's perception of him as an enigmatic and potentially dangerous figure. In 1916, a group of nobles, fearing Rasputin's influence and impact on Russia's future, conspired to assassinate him. Their plan was fraught with secrecy and desperation, driven by their belief that eliminating Rasputin was the only way to save Russia from further turmoil. On the fateful night of December 29, 1916, Rasputin's life came to a tragic end. Lured to the home of one of his critics under the guise of meeting a woman, Rasputin was served poisoned food and wine. However, the poison seemed to have little effect on him. Fearing that their initial plan had failed, the conspirators shot Rasputin multiple times. Yet he still clung to life. Finally, they resorted to drowning him in the icy Neva River. Rasputin's death marked the end of an era and further deepened the instability of the Russian monarchy. Even after his death, Rasputin's legacy continued to captivate historians and conspiracy theorists alike. His enigmatic life and mysterious death have given rise to countless speculations about his true intentions and the extent of his influence. Some even believe that he was a prophet with foresight into Russia's future. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring history's most intriguing figures. Goodbye.